Hello, my name is Saanvi, and do you know what a number line is? Well, I'm pretty sure you do. So let's begin on our great journey. I've done a number line 1 to 10 like this. This is a number line which is sleeping, and I've done a number line 0 to 10 like this. This is a standing number line. And then 0 is an origin, which is what it means. And then we go, and we're using the same 0 both sides. And to have a bit more fun, you make it with Lego, which is what I've done. I put the numbers underneath the Lego pieces. Okay, you're wondering what this is, aren't you? The X means sleeping and Y means standing. And here comes in this little Lego man. If we put him on the origin first, we need to say a number. Okay, maybe I'm saying 9x. So you would move here on the block. And then we go back to the origin and we go maybe 9y. And I go up here on the 9th one. See? And this is a game we did to help your child get more happy in learning about what a graph is. A graph is this, which I've drawn, and now I've also done it with this. This is called a 2D graph. Bye.